Today, we're filling our house up with snakes, packing peanuts, and the most extreme things you could imagine. Because growing up, we would always invite our friends to hang out at our house, but nobody ever showed up. Which is why we're building the coolest rooms you've ever seen. And at the end of the day, we'll be inviting our friends Jordan and Salish over to decide which room is best. Losers get their rooms destroyed, while the winning team gets to fill up the entire house with their room. Jordan and Salish will be here in 5 hours, so we have to hurry and get started. And we're splitting into 4 teams, each with its own unique theme. Kat and I are filling our entire room with packing peanuts. Kat, cover me! I think we bought too many packing peanuts. The winning team has to keep Salish in their room for the longest period of time, so our rooms have to be themed around what she likes.
We're gonna turn this room into a zoo and fill it up with a bunch of animals. Woo! Fuck! This room is supposed to be fun. Why would you bring a snake in here?
Cause Salish loves snakes.
How do you know that?
Cause I watch her videos.
If Salish loves snakes, instead of filling this room with a bunch of random pets, why don't we fill it up with 1,000 snakes? But where are we gonna get 1,000 snakes from?
I know a guy.
While Bach takes Tanner to meet his snake guy, Alan and Sean are studying up on how to build the best trampoline room. Since we're filling our room with trampolines, we're at an actual trampoline park so we can take some notes. So the first thing I notice here is there's a lot of trampolines. So obviously, we're gonna need a lot of trampolines as well.
Look, a foam pit! Woo! We definitely need a foam pit in our trampoline park.
Sean? Sean! Dude, what are you doing?
Just taking notes. See?
Salish loves gymnastics, so Sean's foam pit might actually come in handy.
Alright, I know Salish loves water parks, so we built an indoor water park. Okay, Zach, I think that's enough, so.
Kid, I know what I'm doing. Sit back there and count me down. Testing the slip and slide in 3, 2, 1, go!
Zach, you good?
Give me 30 minutes.
What's your budget?
Empty your pockets.
What?
Oh my god, bro. How about free?
Okay, it's free under one condition. You must survive 5 minutes trapped in a box with my most dangerous snakes to prove you're worthy of handling them.
Fuck, how about we fill our room with something else instead?
There's no time.
And if Bach or Tanner chicken out before the 5 minutes is up,
Oh, that's a big one.
all they have to do is press the red button to escape.
I'm pressing the button. I'm gonna press it.
Wow! Don't press the button.
There's one inside of me.
Fuck, hang in there. You can do it.
What the? Where's he going? Where? Where did he go?
I can't take it any longer. I'm gonna press the button. Don't press the button, Bob. Don't press the button.
We definitely need a basketball hoop at our trampoline park.
1v1 me.
You sure? No rules.
One. No rules?
You can't handle this deep.
Street ball.
These
Whoa,
too
whoa,
hard
whoa,
for you.
whoa. Hey, give me that ball.
Oh. Come here, Sean.
What is going on with you two? Breaking all the rules. Get out. Go. You. Out. Go.
Back home, Alex and Kat were making fast progress on their packing peanuts room. We barely used any of the packing peanuts, and check out how much of the room we've already filled up. Wait, Kat, come here. Come here real quick.
What are you doing?
So not only are we filling up this entire room with packing peanuts, but we're also adding a slide off the second story, a zip line, and a lot more cool things. This room is about to be every kid's dream.
Ow! Alex, get off of me! Your fatness is crushing me!
And right next door, Alan and Sean finally got back from their research to start their trampoline room. So we're gonna put our first trampoline right here.
Which is perfect because the ceilings are so high.
And once we're done filling up this entire living room with trampolines, it's gonna be the best trampoline park ever because
We won't have any rules.
Meanwhile, Zach and Kato found an even better spot to build their water park.
So, we're building a water park outside. There's already a pool and a ton of space for us.
And no walls.
Alright, Kato, let's test this bomb! Jump whenever you're ready!
Oh, no. I'm not heavy enough. But Manu is.
Wait! No, wait!
boss.
I'll do anything. Please don't.
Anything? How about a sniff from the source?
Well, that's about time, guys. You guys get to keep the snakes. Well done.
Yes! Yes! We did it, Kyle!
Mark, what's wrong?
Nothing.
Mark, come on, tell me.
I just think it's funny that you promised me a sniff.
Mark, I can't. I'm driving.
You promised me a sniff.
How? I'm driving.
You promised.
Mark, I'm gonna crash.
Then pull over.
Mark, we're already late. There's
You
no way
promised
can
me a
pull
sniff.
over.
I don't care. You promised me a sniff.
Back at the house, Alan and Sean's trampoline room was really starting to come together.
We literally have trampolines everywhere, including all the walls. We can do anything we want here.
Like this.
Oh, Jesus Christ!
My balls!
And over on this side,
We left this area empty because we're gonna turn it into a foam pit.
Salish, you gotta love this!
And remember, the winning team of this competition has to keep Salish in their room the longest. So we need to make sure we add upgrades that Salish loves.
All the best water parks have a diving board, so I built one for ours.
I don't know. This one looks kind of high.
Maybe for you, little bro. Not for me. Step aside.
3, 2, 1, go!
Dude, the diving board snapped. Are you good? I think he'll be good.
Zach and Kato's water park is almost complete. But back inside, Tanner and Bach realized they had a small problem.
What are we waiting for? Let's release the snakes.
Wait! If we release the snakes, how are we gonna move? And Salish won't like it if we step on any of them.
What if we built a bunch of cool stuff in here that we can move around on so we can avoid them? Now that we're done with the obstacle course on the ground, we're gonna build some on the ceiling. But first, let's release some snakes.
Oh, yes! Oh my gosh!
Dude, look at all these snakes.
While Tanner and Bach turned their room into a danger zone, Alan and Sean were turning their trampoline room into a full-blown basketball court.
Take shot! Dude, how did you do that?
Let's just say I know how to play with them balls.
We have to hurry up and add the rest of our finishing touches because Salish is about to get here.
But some of us were a lot closer to finishing our rooms than others.
I took 0 fall damage.
Dad, get up!
I'm trying.
Oh, hell yeah!
Buck, check this out. I just finished putting up the rock climbing wall.
Yo, this is sick! You know what's sicker?
Now that Bach got that out of the way, he was able to lock in and help Tanner finish a room filled with snakes.
We definitely have the best room.
Buck, how can you be so sure?
Because I'm gonna make sure the other rooms don't look as good as ours. If you know what I mean.
Since Bach and Tanner finished their rooms early, they decided to use their extra time to sabotage the other teams.
We are now done filling up our entire room with packing peanuts. Check out how deep this is. But if we want to impress Salish, we still need to add a lot more cool things. So we need to head out and buy all of those things now.
Whoa! This room looks way more fun than ours! Buck, quick, steal some peanuts!
Wait. I got a better idea.
Buck, isn't that dangerous?
Dangerous? I don't give a shit about dangerous. Come on, let's go. Let's put in. Alex and Kata are going to get a good surprise.
Buck, we have to leave before they come back.
I hope no one heard us.